Java Beans is all about. It's an architecture that tells you how to write reusable Java source code.
All right, and how much does it cost to use Java Beans?
It's this product is $159, and it includes two versions. It includes a version 1.0 and 1.1, depending on which level of browsers that you have.
All right, great. Thanks a lot. All right, well, Java is more than just about fancy websites. You can use Java to do all kinds of cool things in the digital world, and one of the hot new areas for applying Java is email, and I guess that's what you guys are doing with Novita Live Letter. Show us what you can do with Java inside email. How does it make email different?
Well, first of all, we set out to enhance personal communications on the internet. So with this product, you can see it's not just a plain text message anymore. And this is an example of a message.
So we're looking at, it looks like a web page, but this is email I'm looking at.
Right.
Which has a photo. Does it have sound, actually?
Actually, it does. This is Jason's new puppy, and the person also, Rhonda, sent along a little sound effect.
So this is an email I could have sent to a family member on the other side of the country or something like that.
Right, exactly. Also, Live Letter works especially well with digital cameras, so I'm going to go to the central page for navigation.
Yeah, that's what I want to ask you. How did I get that photo in there of the kid?
Okay. A few moments ago, I took some pictures around the set, and I'm going to select those pictures, and I'm going to bring up, in this case, a photo album. We have several photo albums to choose from, and here's a greeting card photo album. And I would go in, add my text to this message, to the greeting card. Type in some text here. And you notice if I flip this over, I could also add audio. And if I flip this over, we've got the pictures that I took earlier.
So you really create a postcard kind of email with pictures and
Exactly. And this is a Java applet, so we actually send Java applets.
Got it. Now, next thing I understand, I can actually import a web page into my email?
Well, sure. The product, with this product, you could actually browse the web. There's really no difference between browsing the web and looking at your email. They all look the same.
But if I wanted to say, hey, look at this cool site I found, and here's the home page.
Sure. Here's an example of where we went to a page. This is the Garfield page. And we actually used that page as the basis for our email. And you can see this is the exact page, but we also went in and added some annotation to it. And it says here, hi, Sean, here's the Garfield page that I was talking about. And just to give you another idea of how easy it is to go in and create pages like this, I'm going to go down and actually create a page. So I'm going to grab this picture from this page. I can send the entire page, or I could grab Java applets, or I could grab images. And I'm going to go and start a new message. And I'll add that now to this page. And then I'll go down.
So creating one of these Java emails is just point and click again like we've seen before. You don't have to know anything about programming.
Right. Exactly. And we have this concept of smileys. These are kind of the expressions that people generally would put into email right now.
Emoticons replaced by actual different smileys. All right, now let me show us one other thing. One thing that's really cool is you have, I guess, what you'd call interactive email. Show us an example of that.
This is one thing that is really exciting to me. We have the concept of interactive mail. Since we can send Java applets, here's an example of a Java applet that somebody created. And in this case, it's a chess game. So this is the message that was received.
Right.
And I'm going to reply to this message.
Well, I can actually make a move in my email and then send it back to the guy who sent that to me.
Exactly. So here I'm replying to this message, and I'm going to make my move. There. Attacking his queen.
I used to play chess by mail with my brother, and 3 days it would take for the letter to go up and back across the country, and this is email.
There are a lot of different kinds of applets that you might send. This acts like an accent, I think, to the rest of your message. It's something that's fun to do, you know. When it...
Okay, a couple of questions. Does the recipient need your software to view these multimedia emails?
We would prefer if they do, but they don't.
And this is pure Java, so it's going to work in a browser?
It'll work in any browser. So whatever the recipient's email package is or browser, they can still receive the message and view it in their web browser.
All right, and what is the product? Is it a piece of software? Is it an email service or on a subscription basis?
It's actually a product. It's an application. It's written 100% in Java. And it's available right now as a free download from our website.
Okay.
And that's at www.novitacom.com.
All right, very cool. Thank you very much, Michael. Well, Java does many things, as we've seen. It creates cross-platform applications. It adds multimedia to websites. It enables interactivity on the web. It is the interactive component of Java that's most important in the fast-growing field of online commerce.
Shopping means different things to different people. For some of us,